Hello, welcome back. And today we have this little cute Eurondo Your Vision Our Future model number YO562. So actually if you are looking to open this Bluetooth speaker, then like what I did, because I had no idea how to open it, so I just because there was nothing to find out where and how you can open, because everywhere it like just locked everywhere and there was no place to find it where to open. So I have messed it up with its design, but actually I found out later that it's open from this grill. So once you open this grill, you find the grill and you find the nuts. So how you open these? So don't try to do what I did, like this, all the way there. So the proper way is like open this grill. This is the proper way. Open this grill. You will find 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 bolts. And if you open that, so from here you open this case, and underneath actually you found that there is a speaker, and there is everything like Bluetooth and all the device and all the management. Here is a battery. This is a blue color battery which is fixed by glue. There is a board, there is a all controller, and this is a speaker. Actually I just fell it down on the bottom. So this wire you see right now here, this wire actually got off from here, and that's why it's not it was doing everything fine, connecting Bluetooth on off, charging power, everything, but it was not sounding any good. So this is it, how I did it. So hopefully I'll try to sell it off, but if not, I will use for myself because it's working, it's good. So this is it. I tell you how you need to open. You need to open actually this grill, and then you will found this nuts from here. So that's how you open this Bluetooth, which is YO562 and Eurondo. So that's it, signing off. This is Shalisha. I will be back with some business super Vyapar talk, but for this is it. So now it is working and it is all good, and if I switch it on,
welcome to Euroto wireless speaker. Enter to Bluetooth.
everything is working.